Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making the Old Fashioned Paloma, a riff on the summertime classic, the Paloma. The base remains the same, grapefruit soda, fresh lime juice, but with the addition of some old-fashioned ingredients. It makes for something bright and refreshing that has an added depth of flavor. Without further ado, let's talk about ingredients. The first major change is we'll be subbing in bourbon for tequila, preferably something that leans a bit spicy, like Wild Turkey 101. Of course, some fresh lime juice, a half ounce will do. Grapefruit soda, I prefer pink ting for the beautiful bright candy pink color it adds, and Angostura bitters to seal the deal. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, fizz or Collins glass, and squeeze a half a lime's juice right in, which is roughly half an ounce. If your juicer is like mine, it can struggle to get all the juice out, so I'll use my hand for some extra seasoning. Add a scoop of ice. Make sure most of it makes it in. Pour in 2 ounces of your soda so the booze doesn't shoot to the bottom. I personally don't mind waiting for the ice to fall to minimize the splash on the next part. Then grab your jigger and measure 1.5 ounces of bourbon, ideally with some rye in the mash bill. Add it to your glass. Then top up your glass with another 2 ounces or so of soda. And then add your Angostura up top. I was hoping for more of an ombre look here, which somewhat worked, but I don't love how the brown looks next to the pink, so give it a stir to bring out a more peachy color. Skip the garnish because what's the point of wasting a grapefruit slice? And there you have Old Fashioned Paloma. Now let's give it a taste test. You definitely still get the grapefruit, but the tartness makes way for some of the caramel and baking spice thanks to the wild turkey and the Angostura bitters. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a go-to Paloma riff or grapefruit cocktail? Let me know down below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, click that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.